Hello, hello, and welcome everyone to September 30th, the last trading day for September. Also realize too, this is the end of the third quarter for the year. So watch out for earnings coming in October. That said, TLT keeps the lead at 21%. And let's go to the numbers and charts. And there they are. TLT, little bit of a sideways action, a little bit of resistance right here, but still okay. The bottom line is it was 105 and we got 97 to our good. A little more, and this baby retires, exits in the profit zone up in this zone here and here. We'll retire this off the losers list down to the winner circle. Moving on, IYR is running here, and YRR owes 473 and it's running just couple $13 short of $200. Again, that keeps chipping away at the rock. Sometimes you win them all and sometimes you don't, but the bottom line is you keep moving forward and keep winning. Okay, going into the last one of notice is Pepsi. Pepsi is here, and Pepsi owes the Tigers 275. Okay, there we go, a little cleaner there. Those 275, we're at 45 bucks. Again, moves in the right direction, 230 bucks, and it will come off the losers list and go and get retired to the winner circle. We're now going to the current laggers. All right, here we are, SPY, the ETF for the top 500 companies of the USA. Oh, look at that, a little bit of a push here, and there is a note here, 302 round up to 305. Okay, so this is how I will set up my trades. I will not go in actual pennies. I go into nickels and zeros. That said, here we are where stop limit is at 535, and we're at SPY is running at 964. Okay, so we got some buffer, we got some protection. Let's go on now to WBA Walgreens. Walgreens on the Tigers $169, and $169 is going to produce us, let's see, it owes the Tigers 169 and it's running a minus 142. But I believe this is climbing back up. There's the proof of the pudding. It's moving in the right direction. A little crossover here on the MACD in a couple of days. We'll see what the market tells us tomorrow. And coming into the jalopy, here's the jalopy. What did I tell you about this one, guys? This one has been an extreme disappointment. There's no winners retired, I don't think. Let's see. Oh yeah, we bought Pepsi. Pepsi was triggered today, so we don't have any exits to talk about. Okay, that said, let's go on now to the Alpha account. Alpha, come in, Alpha. All right, here's Alpha, and Alpha's leader is the ETF for XLV, and XLV is your ETF for health. So stop limit is set at 50%, 135. We're running at 323. So we have a chance. We have to get this green line above that line there so we can move our stop up above the stop limit. But it's $500 and it owes, how much does it owe, Alpha? Wait. Oh, this is a low-hanging fruit. Remember I mentioned about low-hanging fruits. I was in we can get rid of this because we are now in the trade. Sometimes when you go during the night or after day, your option spread will be so far apart from the bid and ask price that the end result is that you have to check it during day hours. That was a note to myself to do that. This trade was triggered in 920, 10 contracts. There it is, 10 contracts, and it owes 410. And holy moly, guess what? I'm staring at a potential profit. I didn't even realize it. I just looked at the numbers. We're 495 on the plus side and it owes 410. We're 85 to the good. All we need now is a trigger to get us out of the trade in the profit zone, and we will be able to take this off the lost leaders dead list. Yeah, lost leaders dead list. Yeah, they owe me. I'm going to go back. Okay, so going into now, we go to Nike. Nike is come onto the field. And, oh, nice push there, Nike. Nice push. So there we are. And Nike is running at 9%, 367. Of those 1010. There was something very strange. This is like in the middle of my lost leaders list. So like, what? Yeah, I went through like about 10 or 15 stocks in the lost leaders list, started at the bottom, working my way up. Nothing qualified until hit Nike. It says, whoa. So Nike owes 1010, got 7 contracts on the line, and we're at 367, another $600, $700 with counting commissions. We'll be into the break-even zone on Nike. Go Nike. Coming now into the last of the into the final turn of the profits areas. PG, Procter and Gamble, and Procter and Gamble owes the alphas 867. And oh, we have 2 orders filled. Let's check these guys out. Those Nike's purchase. Look at that. We got in the Nike and it bought and went into profit right off the bat. That is sweet. That's what you really want. So back on the PG, 867 and this 216. So again, we chip at the rock. All right, coming into the backstretch here, the lagging parts of the team, starting after XLK. XLK is running behind at 9%, 346 with an additional, and this is, again, we're only going after the low-hanging fruit to get rid of these dead lost leaders off the list, because we're not going to get their money back from them, but someone else is going to pay for it, an ETF, that sector. And then after that, then we'll be going after the big nut on the XLK. Going in, Quad, there's Quad, and here's Quad. Quad's gone into a little bit of a range bound, as they say. So it doesn't have any direction, but it is staying above my moving average line. So staying above the moving average line is encouraging. That's not. This is not too encouraging, but what can you do? We don't fight the market. We just go with flow. All right, moving on. PGR. PGR came off a scan. It didn't owe us any money, but now, and I put in $500. Now, why do I put in $500? Because my time is worth $500. That's right. You got to set a value for your time, and my time is $500. So when I go into a trade, I'm looking for a $500 return. It might be in 3 days, it might be 2 weeks, it might be 3 months. But if I set it at a nice steady pace at 500, and if I lose, now right now PGR is minus $75. So if we get stopped out, this 500 is just a goal marker. It's not set in stone. What is set in stone are our losses right in this column. So we will switch this to the 75 and then go up to PGR if it turns against us. Going that said, let's go down into the jalopy. Pum, 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 pum. This jalopy has really got me upset. What can we say? All right, but look, this is encouraging. We have a nice bounce off the stochastics in the bottom. The MACD is sort of thin compared to the previous, and it's got a higher low, so things just might be turning around. 550 plus 578, so we got about 1025 total to get over to get to the break even. And then coming into the basement, and again, this has been really I mean, I only came in this trade to collect $174. What are you doing to me, monster? Well, at least it's better than what it was when it was way over here and it was a minus 1100. So now we're at minus 500, with 174. So we're $674 out to get monster. And that concludes today's winners and losers. So catch you tomorrow. And I thank you for coming to the winners and losers.